Here we are, Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Honda BT750 Shadow Aero. This is the old classic design, long sweeping fenders, beautiful chrome accents, quick release windscreen, and this beautiful fuel injected 750 liquid cooled shaft drive. And this one has ABS brakes. Pretty rare on a Shadow 750 for ABS. Beautiful satin black finish. Very low miles, only 3,800 for $49.99. Come by, check it out. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.